everybody, it's the handbag hauler here coming to you with a video today. Before I get into that video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. So I am coming with a quick unboxing. Now, I was not going to get a birthday bag. I was like, I'm going to chill out for a little while, but I have been keeping up with the sales, of course. And I found a bag that I have been watching for a very long time. I've never had it in my collection, and I just never put the plug on it. But I caught it at such a great deal this time, and I was like, I have to get it. Now, I know what issues I'm gonna have with it later on down the line, but I still love the silhouette, and I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get into the unboxing. So, of course, it's from okay, so let me just get on with the getting this box up. Sorry for all of the noise, but I am so excited. This is the Dooney and Bourke Perry Satchel in navy, my favorite color. I had to get it. This is 22 out of 50, and I got this off of the I Love Dooney site. So let's get into this bag. It's the Florentine, and I have not bought a Florentine Dooney in a while, and it's wrapped so well. I'm so excited. Here, I'm so excited. Okay, come on. Let's do this. Because I'm going to move into this right now. Right now, I'm carrying my Coach Roses tote right now. But I'm going to switch off into this instead of carrying that tote. And I try to save my bags, the wrapping, because I end up stuffing my bags with I just stuff all the stuffing in the plastic wrap and then stuff it back in the bag. But I don't feel like going to get my scissors. I didn't even bring them, so I might just have to just tear this up in here, because I am keeping this. And they really did a number on this. I hope you guys can hear me because my phone is ringing, so they just gotta wait. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, here's the bag. It's in the navy and the Florentine. It is wonderful. It smells good, of course. You know, if you've purchased Florentine bags from Dooney, the smell is just awesome from a new bag. And they got this really, really wrapped here. So, I'm gonna kind of go through this fast because I needed to take that call. But anyway, so we get all of this stuff out. Now, this is interesting. Like I said, I've never had this bag. And this bag has the attachments, the O-ring attachment. Let me show you here. Bring it up to the camera a little bit. And look at the detailing and the stitching on that. That is really, really nice. I can't wait to carry this. So I'm going to treat it. And then it has the 4 feet on the bottom. And it has a stable bottom here. You know, it's not a saggy bottom. And it's just the right size. Got my dust bag. Some more silica gel. Let me get that out of here. So this bag has 2 sides to it. It has the middle zipper, which I love. Now, I used to didn't like this middle part in here. I remember when I bought the Chelsea bag, and I hated that middle part. But I have come to love having this section in my bag. So on this side, it has a zipper pocket here. And a slip pocket. And then it has 2 slip pockets on the other side, along with the key keeper in there, as you can see right here, which all Dooneys come with. Let me get rid of this if I can. I probably won't be able to do this right now. But anyway, it does have an adjustable strap on both sides. You can adjust it here. So you can put it on the under your arm. Ooh, I got lint on my sweater. Or I don't know. I'm gonna have to take some mod shots with this. I don't think you can make this a crossbody. If you can, let me know. But I'm trying to kind of look at this because I'm not sure just by looking at the strap on here. This definitely, they wrapped this mug up good. Okay. Yes, they, woo. Okay, got it off. So, this is the strap there. And of course, you can, I'm gonna tuck this in there. Oh, this is kind of hard to do that. Okay, I got one in. I'll worry about that later. So, yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I like it. And I really like this closure here. So it's a turnstile closure. A little snap, a little magnetic snap close. And I think I'm gonna like this. I'm actually gonna love it. Or you can carry it by the 2 handles, and it'll still fit in the crook of your arm. Oh yeah, well, I love it. I love it. So I just want to come and share my birthday bag with you guys. And yeah, I'll have to do a follow-up to see how well it carries and what's in my bag. So thank you all for joining me, and I appreciate you stopping by. I have made 1,000 viewers. 1,000 of you are subscribed to my channel. I want to thank you all for helping me achieve this milestone. And I want to just say, remember to hit that like and subscribe bell button for my notifications when I do another video. And I will see you all next time. Take care.